Hello mga sweethearts! Eto na naman po tayo, rain or shine. Lalakad na naman ang Team Dahilig ng The Sweetest Things by Ina. We are very thankful to our clients who continue to hire our services. Siyempre si Manong, ang ating team captain, si Ray Dahilig. And eto po, again, rain or shine, napakalakas ng ulan kagabi at kanina madaling araw. But today, medyo pinagbigyan naman po tayo. Hindi naman siya, cloudy lang siya, pero parang may konting araw. But wala na yung ulan. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy po. Nagsisimula na naman pong umulan. So, sobrang kulimlim dito. Mga ilang minutes pa kami and we'll be arriving at our destination. But eto nga, it's starting to rain again. And look at the sky. Look at the sky. Sobrang itim na siya. So, anyway, we're almost there. So, we are here at the venue. The venue is beautiful, although I don't like the fact na nabasa yung mga buffet tables dito. So, I decided and I asked permission from the client to move it here instead, so it's more stable and safer for the people also to get food for later. And then I hope that it's working, this light is working, because we need that light for later kasi medyo parang ang dilim ng itsura because of the rain kahit maaga pa. And ganda ng view. This is really nice. And so yun, ang mission ko is to make it a safe spot for the, kasi eto siya. This is just intimate. Anong setup nila? I think this is for 100 people, pero sobrang saktong-sakto lang. And then we're done with this one. So this is my very hardworking teammate, Patty. Hello. Patty. Yeah, she's wearing our uniform. Proud. Yeah. So right now, this is what we're going to do. Put a DJ over there, put a chairs, some lantern, and the cake, and the food outside, and then we're good to go. Okay. So we are preparing the dessert table. Almost done. And ito lang sa side. Tatlo siguro. And then tatlo sa kabilang side. And side. And then, sa ano na, dito na tayo maglalagay. Dito na lang yung turon niya. I think may turon siya eh. So, dito ako, susunod ako doon sa'yo. Tapos, lalagyan na lang natin spoon. Lahat po sa kanan ha, yung spoon. Umiikot siya. Umiikot yung dessert holder namin.
Depende kasi siya.
It's rotating. Busto-busto yung ulan. Good thing medyo hindi ganun kalakas kasi pagod na. Tapos anong oras na yan, dumilim na. Dumilim na yung video ko. Ang dilim-dilim ko na. Itim na. Wala yun.